Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we're going to take a look at the update process for the Uniden R9. This is Uniden's custom installed radar detector and laser jamming system. Now the update process here for the R9, it is different from what you're probably used to with their windshield mount detectors. With those, you take the detector home, plug it into your computer, and run Uniden's update software to update your detector. That's not the case here with the R9. The update process is actually going to work differently. So in this video, let's go ahead and take a look at how the process works. Now, to update your R9, you're essentially going to need two things. Number one, you're going to need a computer, and then number two, you're going to need a USB thumb drive. This is the one that comes with the R9, so I'm going to use it here for this video. Now, to grab any newer updates when they're available, you're just going to head on over to Uniden's website and grab the latest update there. Sometimes the updates will include a lot of different files to update things like the radar or laser or GPS database or the display, etc. Other times will be maybe fewer files, but either way, you're just going to want to download all the files off their website, unzip it, and copy them over to your thumb drive. Then once you've got all the files downloaded, hop back into your car, and then you can take this thumb drive and plug it into the CPU for the R9. Chances are the R9 is probably going to be tucked away somewhere out of sight, and so you can run an extension cable, something like this, that's maybe somewhere more convenient. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug mine in like this, and then I'm going to start up my car to go ahead and power on the R9. Let's see, updating the host software, updating the display software, updating the front radar detector software, updating the rear radar detector software, updating the laser software, updating the sound database, updating the GPS database. It says to please remove the USB thumb drive, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out here, and the system will boot itself back up. Now earlier I tried taking the update software here and plugging it in when the detector was powered on. That didn't work. It looks like you do have to actually start with the detector powered off first and then power it on with the thumb drive plugged in to the CPU. So just something I learned kind of while doing this video. But either way, yeah, that's just a quick look here as far as the update process here for the R9. More testing, of course, to come. I'm actually doing an upgrade here from like old beta firmware now to what should be the newer public firmware. So I'm going to be able to do kind of more testing and videos for you guys and whatnot. So stay tuned for more of that, more information about the detector and all that good stuff. When the detector is released, this video is also going to be representative of the update process in general for retail copies too. And so we'll have more information as the detector is available for sale. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you in the next video.